Other cleaning tools that can't even do half of what the spin scrubber can do can easily cost you way over 10,000 pesos. But during this special offer, you won't pay anywhere close to that. It's not 10,000, not 8,000, not even 7,000, not 6,000, not 5,000. Call an order right now and you'll get yours at a special, low, discounted price that we put together exclusively for all our viewers.
You'll never need batteries because it comes with the latest rechargeable technology, enough to do your entire home on just one charge. Plus, we'll even guarantee it for a full 10 years or your money back. Forget bending and straining to clean the tub because you'll get this extension pole free. Now you can easily reach down into the tub to power away stains, or into the shower to clean moldy grout and tiles. Even clean those areas you couldn't normally reach. And we're not done yet. You'll also get this free Softflex cone brush that fits perfectly into corners. There's no easier way to get faucets sparkling clean. Also use it to blast away the burnt mess on cooktops. Even get into tiny crevices on the fridge door, or best of all, those hard-to-reach shower door rails. Plus, there's more. We'll include this extra-large flat brush free. Use it around the rusty sink drain or to bust through dirt on the shower floor. And there's no better way to power through the oven door grime, so it wipes off in no time. All 3 brushes easily fit in this handy storage bag. Yours free.
But wait, because we're not done yet. Order right now and we'll give you this absolutely free. And there's still more. If you're one of the first 20 callers, we'll send it by express delivery for free. That's right, free delivery anywhere in the country. But you must call now. Everything you see here is all yours for a special low discounted price that we've put together exclusively for all our viewers. This is an amazing offer, but it won't last for long. So don't wait. Don't delay. Don't miss out. Order now by calling 683-3344. That's 683-3344. Our friendly operators are standing by right now to take your call. Or visit our website at tvshop.ph, where you'll find this and many other exciting new products. We accept all major credit cards, check and COD. Hurry, this offer is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now. Call 683-3344 or visit tvshop.ph and get yours now.